Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whenever you're seeing this video. In this video, we're going to take this 2026 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 with the bronze appearance package, 6-speed manual for a test drive. That was a lot, right? Right now, I'm currently at the Governor Square Mall, but I did the photo shoot out at Hilaman Golf Course, and you'll see me driving up to Hilaman Golf Course and everything like that. From here on out, I want to head back to the dealership with this 5.0 Mustang right here behind me. Call it Black Beauty. Hint, hint, she's absolutely gorgeous. Y'all stay tuned. This is going to be epic. Just going to change up my camera mount once I'm done with this intro, and we're going to get back to driving. Y'all hang tight. Check out Tallahassee Ford social media, Facebook, Tallahassee _ Instagram, Tallahassee _ Ford on Instagram, TikTok, in collaboration with hashtag JRod Reviews brand, hashtag JRod Reviews, car reviews, and more. Y'all hang tight. This is going to be epic. I love driving manuals, and I know you love watching manuals being driven. Y'all hang tight. Peace. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you see this video. In today's video, I'm going to take this 2026 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 with a 6-speed manual. I'm going to take it around the block, give you a point of view. As you can see, y'all can see the hood, see a little bit of the infotainment screens right here, and we'll go from there. First things first, it is a proximity key. So as long as you have this key, your key, hint, hint, in the future, in the possession of the vehicle, in your pocket, ladies, in your purse, it's a push button start. And I'm gonna let y'all hear this 5.0 come to life. Clutch in, here we go. Sounds good. These 5.0s sound really, really good from the factory. And yeah, let's go take it around the block. Once again, this is a point of view drive, and we're gonna go from there. Y'all hang tight. So the first thing that you'll notice about it, this one does not have the adaptive exhaust to it. So it's just your standard 5.0 exhaust. Instead of having the quad tips, it just has the dual tips out the back. But they still sound good. And turn on some AC, it's hot. Heat advisory in Tallahassee all week. So yeah. So I know it's been a while since y'all have seen me do a point of view drive, and I was just down here in the Democrat over here. We call it the Democrat parking lot over here at Tallahassee Ford. And I saw this beauty. It's black with the bronze package. So it's got the bronze wheels, the bronze emblems, and all that good stuff. And I just wanted to show you. It's very rare that we get a manual. Everything we usually get is the 10-speed auto, which is a fine transmission by itself. But I think, you know, with the 5.0, with the 6-speed manual, it just takes this vehicle to another level. Let me know down in the comments if you agree. Once again, this vehicle is available at 243 North Magnolia Drive. Come by and see it today. I'll have the stock number and all that stuff down in the description. So if you're looking for one, wherever you are throughout the country, we can get this vehicle to you. Shifts are super easy with the 6-speed short throw gear shifter. It also has a really easy clutch to use. Extremely easy, guys and gals. And yeah, just a nice ride overall. And this Mustang does have the rev matching option, so you'll hear it here as I downshift. There you go. Very nice. Love that rev matching, but you can actually turn it off if you would like. I just like how it sounds. So here we go. I just think this manual, being that you're in control of your shifts and everything, just makes it more entertaining. Once again, not taken away from the 10-speed automatic. It does its thing. It's very quick shifting, probably a little bit quicker as far as your 0 to 60 in quarter mile time, just because you're not having to shift. It does it all for you. But once again, a 6-speed manual is just entertaining. Very fun. Run over here and take a photo shoot of this vehicle, and should be pretty fun. I'm not sure where I'm gonna take it just yet, but I'm gonna take it somewhere in the city. Taking it to the streets series continues at Tallahassee Ford, where we take the vehicles out to different landmarks, if you want to say, throughout the city, just so that you just don't get the regular lot photos, lot videos. It's pretty cool to see these vehicles where prospective owners will be, like the mall, like the stores throughout the city. To me, it just adds a little personal touch to everything. Where would you all like to see the next Taking Them to the Streets series video at? Where would y'all like to see? Let us know down in the comments wherever you see this video, and I'll take it there. You got a cool spot with a cool backdrop, hopefully some shade. Hint, hint, we need shade these days. It's hot. Let us know. So I have it on in sport mode, so it adds a little bit more of assistance to the steering, a little bit more communication with the road, quicker shifts. Just makes it that much more entertaining. And every gear has torque, folks. This is in third, and you can probably hear it. Every gear has torque. We're gonna take it over here to Hilaman Golf Course and get some pictures and videos for you guys. Every gear has torque. Every gear. So, y'all hang tight. I'm gonna get out here and take some pictures real quick, and maybe a little shorts video for you all, and we'll go from there. And then I'll give you a perspective of this vehicle on the way back to the dealership. Taking them to the streets series continues with this awesome Mustang 5.0 6-speed. All right, what an adventure I've been on today. So I took some pictures, like I said, at the Hilaman Golf Course. Came over here to the Governor Square Mall just to remount my camera. And let's get on back. Let's take this 6-speed Mustang on back to the dealership. I know it's always bittersweet when I have to take them back, but trust the process and enjoy what you do. Motivational minute. I know it's been a minute since I've done those as well. Wow, God is great. That's all I can say. At all points, at all times. Camera mount's a little loosey-goosey right here, but we gonna get on back. And God is just the most amazing thing, the most amazing everything, is what I'm trying to say. Be not conformed to this world, but by the renewing of your spirit. God will change your life if you just accept him for everything, for him being who he is. You got the right of way. So just enjoy God, enjoy your life, and be the best version of yourself. Is what I always tell people. Let's go, folks. Let's roll. Ain't nothing like a naturally aspirated engine with a 6-speed. You can't beat it. Where's the rev match? And watch this. Oh yeah. Have no fear. J-Rod Reviews is here. This 6-speed feels good in here. So yeah, if you're looking for a 6-speed Mustang GT, once again, have no fear. Stop by Tallahassee Ford, 243 North Magnolia Drive, and come hang out with us. Come hang out with the crew. What's your favorite thing about a Mustang 5.0? Let us know down in the comments. here we are back at home base. I just had to wait a little bit. AAA freight truck was backing into our parts department driveway. But yeah, once again, I'll have all the information for this Mustang GT down in the description. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, comment wherever you see this on social media. And yeah, we will get your information to the right source to be able to help you out efficiently and constructively as possible. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God keep you. Till the next time.